In our face-to-face classes, we've been used to using PowerPoint presentation in presenting our lessons, and we can also use PowerPoint presentations for lessons prepared for Canvas. However, one of the problems that will arise is that when students are using their tablets or when they're using their mobile phones, it will be hard for them to view the presentation because they'll have to download the file, and then they would need an application to view the PowerPoint that you have prepared. But we can actually save or export the PowerPoint file that we have prepared to different forms or files that our students can see without opening any other application. Two of the things that I usually do, or actually three of the things that I usually use in doing that, in uploading formats in Canvas, is one, I would convert the PowerPoint presentation into a JPEG. So when I convert it into a JPEG form, the presentation or the slides that I created will be converted into a picture format. So when I upload this as a picture on Canvas, the students will immediately be able to see the page that I have created. However, for multiple slides, one of the forms or format that I use is the GIF. It's an animated format where the slides will automatically play as you have created it. You can time the slides according to the number of seconds that you would like it to be shown. Another format that you can also use is the movie format or the MP4. So all of these formats will be discussed in a series of how-to videos. First, let's talk about creating or doing the format or converting the format into a GIF. What you are looking at right now is a sample PowerPoint that I prepared for this training. So after creating all the animations for this training, let's add an animation to the slides. Okay, I would use transition. I will use a push transition. So after I have created a transition for all the slides, I can now go to File and then export it to a file that I'd like to that I'd like it to be exported to. So here are the formats that I can use. We can create a video, create an animated GIF, or we can actually convert it into a picture file. So for this presentation, we will use create an animated GIF. So I'll just click that, and then I'll probably put time would be 3 seconds per slide. And then you can also change the quality of the animation. For this presentation, we'll probably just use a medium file and then create GIF. And then it will ask you to put it on a specific folder. We'll just use desktop so that we can easily access it. And then type trial GIF and then click saved. Okay. So after doing that, we go to the format, and then there you go. So it will now play on its own. Okay. All right. So we can now turn the presentation off. And then you can simply go to your, you can go to Canvas and then upload it as a document form or as a document file. So that's all. In our next presentation, we'll learn how to convert a PowerPoint presentation into a movie format or MP4.